Anthropic just moved Claude from the chat box into the real world. The company behind a possible $2 trillion IPO now wants AI agents to run labs, robot arms, and factory machines. That is a new story for Nvidia, Amazon, Microsoft, and every robotics stock. Welcome back to AI Assets. On Thursday, Anthropic launched a research preview of the model hardware standard. Call it USB-C for robots. The standard lets AI agents operate physical equipment through one common language: microscopes, liquid handlers, robot arms, lasers. Anthropic says integration can take hours or minutes instead of custom software for every machine. This is built on the Model Context Protocol, the same open standard Anthropic used to connect models to data. MHS is the physical version. It is model agnostic, so it can work with Claude, OpenAI models, or open source. Early tests were not a toy demo. On a quantum computer, Claude-guided laser calibration jumped from about 58% success to 99.3%. Partners in the preview include Amazon Web Services, Hugging Face, Universal Robots, Tican, Keyagent, and Raspberry Pi. Anthropic is not dumping this on the public internet. It is a waitlist, then safety work, then a plan to open source. Investor context. If you are waiting for an Anthropic ticker, this still matters. A successful IPO story needs more than chatbot seats. It needs enterprise workflows that replace expensive lab time. MHS is how Claude becomes infrastructure inside science and manufacturing, not just a writing tool. Nvidia wins if more agents run 24-hour experiments. That is more inference, more edge chips, more physical AI. Amazon wins if AWS becomes the cloud that connects agents to machines. Microsoft is in the race through OpenAI and Copilot. If Anthropic owns the hardware protocol, OpenAI has to catch up or adopt it. Watch lab automation and robotics names too. Thermo Fisher, Intuitive Surgical, and industrial robot suppliers sit closer to this than most software stocks. Tesla Optimus is the consumer-facing humanoid. MHS is the quieter fight. Who owns the language that tells machines what to do? What the market misses headlines say, Claude got hands. The real prize is the standard. Whoever defines how AI talks to hardware can tax every robot arm and every lab bench the way operating systems taxed PCs. Open sourcing later is not charity. It is how you become the default. The risk nobody prices is right access. Read a temperature sensor is boring. Write to a laser, a centrifuge, or a robot arm is a safety event. One bad command is not a wrong paragraph. It is damaged equipment or worse. So the winners may be companies that sell kill switches, audit logs, and human locks, not only the model labs. This is also still a preview. No mass deployment. No disclosed license fees. Treat it as a platform bid, not 2026 revenue. What happens next? Watch 3 things. First, who joins the waitlist? Big pharma and robot makers would confirm this is industrial, not a research toy. Second, the open source date. The day MHS is public, every competitor can copy or kill it. Third, Anthropic's IPO path. Investors have talked about an October listing. Physical AI gives bankers a growth story beyond chat. Position through listed pipes. Nvidia for compute, Amazon for cloud robotics, Microsoft for the rival agent stack. Do not buy a rumor valuation. Buy the picks and shovels if labs actually stay on overnight. Subscribe to AI Assets for daily AI investing insights. And tell me in the comments, would you let Claude run a lab or a factory floor? Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.